Let's get ready together and do some makeup. I really want this makeup to look good in person and also in photos, because summer is all about making beautiful memories and of course taking pictures. So I really want to focus on that in this video, because sometimes I feel like my makeup doesn't show in pictures as in person. So for this makeup look, we're really gonna trust the process and go in with makeup. Make sure it shows in pictures too. Of course, always starting with skin prep. I am gonna go in with the BOBBI BROWN primer. This just makes my makeup look so good, and also it lasts all day long. So I'm gonna let my skin prep sit for a minute and do my brows in the meantime. This is the Rare Beauty Brow Gel. Also, before makeup, I'm gonna line my lips with the Contour Lip Stain from Huda Beauty. This one is in the shade Rosewood. You guys have no idea how organized I feel like. I finally organized my makeup bags, both of them. Look at this, it's perfection. I made sure that I have my everyday makeup and also my all-time favorites in both of these bags. So my desk looks so good and tidy, and I feel like I can just film all the time, all day long, and getting ready together with you guys. So I'm really happy that I took the step to finally organize my makeup bag. I also filmed it, of course. I will leave it like down below for you and also on the screen, but they're like 2 videos because I have 2 makeup bags. So I have the oval one, which is perfect for every day as it's really small and compact, and then I have the regular makeup bag. They're both from Atelier. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is the brand. It just fits all of my makeup, and as I said, my makeup is so tidy and it looks so aesthetic as well. Originally I wanted these SAIE makeup bags, but they're always sold out. The next most similar ones are the Atelier makeup bags, and I have them in the shade Espresso, which is a dark chocolate color. I love it so much. They also have pink ones. They have like 2 shades of pink, but I really couldn't choose, so I thought I'm just gonna go with the teddy bear chocolate color. That's something that I'm 100% sure of, so I went with that color and I'm really happy. Now it's time to bring back some color. I'm gonna use the WESTMAN Atelier contour stick. So those are the placements, and if I need more I will use more, but for now I'm gonna see how this blends. And I really don't want to be shy because I do want this makeup to show in photos as well. So we're gonna be going kinda heavy-handed, at least more than what we usually do. I feel like I can do a little bit more on this side. And maybe just a tiny bit more on my forehead. And I'm really pressing in the product, not swiping or making the product disappear because I want it to show. So this looks perfect. I'm gonna move on to blush. I am gonna be using the SAIE blush. This one is in the shade Cutie. And it's the perfect blush shade for like every day. It's so natural and pretty. I really love it. Again, I'm just gonna press this in. I'm also gonna go over my eyes. So I really want like a summery makeup look. And sun-kissed. Okay, I feel like this is perfect. I can move on to concealer. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of corrector first. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty concealer. Just a tiny bit. Okay, so now to sharpen up everything else, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer on my hand and work it in, and then just go like that. Just a little bit, because I don't want any harsh lines. And also cleaning up over here as well. Then I'm just gonna go in with the contour and blush brush and just go over that. You can see how pretty this already looks. I'm gonna mix both shades from the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in Cherry and Peach. I'm gonna concentrate this only where I want it, so that's under my eyes, around my mouth, and whatever is left on my forehead, just over here in the middle. Next, for powder blush, also from SAIE in the shade Mia. This is my favorite blush. It looks so pretty. And just whatever is left on my eyes as well. I have to remember all the time that I need to put my makeup the same spot so I don't lose anything. I feel so organized. I'm just gonna do a tiny bit eyeshadow from the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take this angled brush. This is the BK Beauty 208 brush. And then with this really dark brown, I'm gonna line my upper lash line. Just a little bit, as if I'm making a tiny wing. So I do want my makeup to show, but I still want to look like myself. So it's not a dramatic makeup look, but still it will look gorgeous in photos, and that's exactly what I want. Okay, I think this looks perfect. Before I forget, almost the most important step, my bronzer. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my lashes. So there's a little mascara hack. Before I do my mascara, I just go in with the tiniest bit of powder and go over my lashes like that. And I don't know what this does, but for some reason my lashes are so long when I do this, and also very thick, so you don't need a ton, just a tiny bit. Okay, I'm doing this brown tubing mascara from Essence. It's insanely good, you guys. Like, you have to try this, and it's like no money. I think it was like $3.99, so it's really good value. Like, I just got it because I wanted to try out tubing mascara and see what it is. Tried it, I was like, oh my god, this is so good. And maybe it's just because it's a tubing mascara, so I don't know about tubing mascara. Like, let me know if you have tried tubing mascaras and if you recommend any, because I would love to try out new tubing mascaras. Like, I'm really into them. I feel like I have enough of normal mascara and waterproof mascara, so I really want to have like a little tubing mascara collection. I'm gonna do 2 coats as always. Okay, before my bottom lashes, I just want to go over my bottom lash line with the Makeup Forever Boundless Bisque liner. And this just gives you like doll eyes, which I really love, especially in photos. I'm gonna line my lips with the MAC lip liner in Plum, and this goes beautifully with the Huda Beauty lip stain I used earlier. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Kim KW. Just gonna concentrate that in the middle. This is so pretty. Like, I always forget how pretty it is. but I definitely need to use this more often. Okay, next of course I'm gonna go in with the KIKO lip gloss. This one is in the shade 17 because I really want the sparkle. This is honestly the prettiest shade. Like if I had to choose one KIKO lip gloss, it would definitely be this. It's so pretty, natural, and also the shine and sparkle is unreal. One last step is gonna be the WESTMAN Atelier highlighter stick. This is honestly so pretty, and it does show in photos. Like you're gonna look like you have glass skin, literally. It's so pretty. Gonna do my eyelids as well. This looks so good. I'm so excited for the photos. I'm gonna finish off with the TILBURY setting spray. Okay, so that's it for this makeup look. I really hope you love it as much as I do. I'm excited for you to try out to do a little bit more heavy-handed than you usually do your makeup, to really make it show in your photos. And I promise you're not gonna regret it, so just trust the process. If you ever feel like, oh my god, it's too much, you just go back with your foundation brush and blend everything out, and I'm sure you will be fine. So try it out and let me know in the comments below what your makeup favorites are for taking photos, or just in general for holidays, because I feel like you cannot have holidays without taking pictures, and we're in the middle of summer. Lots of beautiful memories with your loved ones and friends. Thank you so much for getting ready together with me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.